Hello, xin chào các bạn. Hôm nay mình rất vui được chia sẻ cho các bạn mới bắt đầu một vài mẫu nail mới rất là dễ thương, thanh lịch, phù hợp với tất cả chị em phụ nữ. Nếu các bạn có thắc mắc gì đừng quên để lại lời bình luận bên dưới video của mình. Cảm ơn các bạn. Chúc các bạn một ngày thật vui vẻ và hạnh phúc trong cuộc sống.
Say that they won't when they will. I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. The end. It's over and that's the end. don't need a reason to say what I want when it's real. If I see you acting patient, you never know your last meal. Faster than you like, sober and that's the end. Faster than you like, sober and that's the end. Sober and that's the end. Passing through, catching a feeling of wonder. Can't stop till I feel that way again. No. Find my way to you. Gotta find my way. Find my way to you. Gotta find. Find my way to you. Find my way. Find my way to you.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel share